Building wealth involves a mix of discipline, strategic planning, and sometimes, a few hacks that can boost your finances. Here are some money tips and tricks to consider. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills or spending on leisure, set a portion of your income to go directly into savings or investments. Use apps. Use financial apps like Acorns, which round up your purchases and invest the difference. Take advantage of employer benefits. 401k match. If your employer offers matching contributions to retirement accounts, ensure you contribute enough to get the full match. Health savings accounts, HSA, contributions are tax-deductible, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. Reduce expenses. Review monthly subscriptions, cancel unused services and negotiate rates for others. Shop smart. Wait for sales, use cashback apps, and employ browser extensions like Honey that find coupons for you. Avoid high-interest debt. Pay off credit cards. If possible, pay the full balance monthly to avoid interest. Refinance loans. If interest rates have dropped, consider refinancing your mortgage or student loans. Invest wisely. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Robo-advisors. Consider platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront that offer automated, low-cost investment services. Consider real estate. Platforms like Fundrise or Rights allow you to invest in real estate with less money than buying property. Educate yourself. Free resources. Use websites, podcasts, and books to stay informed about personal finance and investing. Network and negotiate. Salary negotiations. Regularly negotiate your salary or hourly rate. A small increase can significantly affect your lifetime earnings. Network. Building connections can lead to higher-paying job opportunities or investment ventures. Have multiple income streams. Freelance or side gigs. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr can be starting points. Passive income. Create resources that can generate income with minimal upkeep, like ebooks, online courses, or affiliate marketing. Use tax-advantaged accounts. IRAs and 401ks contribute to retirement accounts that offer tax breaks. 529 plans. These are savings plans for future college costs that offer tax advantages. Emergency fund. Keep 3-6 months of expenses in a liquid savings account. This ensures unexpected expenses don't derail your financial plans.